Good morning, everybody. I'm going to be doing something different going forward, and I'm going to be giving you a watch list either the night before or the morning of, because I am getting suspicious about Twitter and about social media being used against retail traders, because I really think they're starting to, and they've probably been doing this for a while, it's just becoming more and more clear to me, but using tickers, doing searches, trying to figure out what retail's going after and using it against us, guys. So going forward, I am going to be doing a video either the night before or morning of with the watch list, and I'll do my best to get this out most days. I can't promise it'll be every day because things happen. I get busy. I have doctor's appointments, whatever the case may be. But guys, I really want us to succeed. If I do it the night before and I see something that catches my eye in the morning, then I may send a short little follow-up. So let's get started with today's watch list. I'm going to try to make this as brief as possible, name the ticker and why it's on my list. Thanks so much for watching. Please hit the like button if you'd like to get access to this list daily. Be sure to subscribe so you get a notification when they come out. So AMC is the first ticker on my list, guys, and it is up 0.87% in pre-market. But the reason that I have it on my watch list is because it's about to make a very bullish move. It had the 1348 crossover on the daily chart, and now it's about to make that 2048 cross. And guys, this is a very bullish event, which indicates a move to the upside, provided we get that confirmation. Fubo is the next one. This has been in a very nice uptrend. Yes, it did get pulled back prior to monthly expirations. However, I'm looking for the continuation. This has been one stock that has been fairly consistent in this market, and I think that we're going to continue to see nice gains. VRAX is up 37.25% in the pre-market at time of taking this shot. Guys, this is something that has been on my watch list for a very long time, and I think it has the potential to make a very, very big move. It has been beat down extremely hard. Definitely keep it on your list. Invitae, unfortunately from this picture, you can't see that it's starting to form a cup and handle pattern. And it also appears that it could be forming an inverse head and shoulders from the pattern that we do see here if it makes that other shoulder. But guys, there's a lot of things going on with genomics, and I really think that this has an opportunity to send it forward. Got beat down very bad. It's down 4.42% in the pre-market, and I think that it could have a reversal from the Benzinga article regarding supply shortages that, yes, we all know about, but guys, people are reactionary. Algos are reactionary. There was no volume in the after hours, so it didn't really make much sense. So I'm looking to see if that reverses. SYRS, I did a video on last night. If you didn't see it, I highly suggest you watch it. There is a recent reverse split yesterday that occurred. For every 10 shares, you got one. And we've been seeing that when reverse splits happen, stocks tend to get big moves. And this didn't follow the normal pattern where they ran before. So I'm expecting that, as you can see, there's a gap to be filled here. I'm expecting to see that continuation. It dipped as low as 495 yesterday, and I'd like to see that move forward to continue that move up. ToughBuilt had bullish news yesterday, and guys, this has been beat down very hard. There's a pattern when this gets back down into that $2 range where it tends to run back up. So watch for the continuation into an uptrend for ToughBuilt. AVCT had a very nice move yesterday. As you can see, it's up 14.21%. In the past week, I am looking for it to break through 23 cents and continue its move up. There's rumors floating again that Microsoft is the company that is buying them out. Guys, it is solely a rumor at this point. I have seen no physical proof. So until then, we will say it's a rumor. But hey, if it helps our stock fly, then let it go. CSSE, this is very heavily shorted. You've been noticing a pattern with Netflix, Fubo, and other streaming platforms moving to the upside. I would expect that CSSE follows that suit. Sava. More bullish news came out yesterday regarding the science behind this that backs that, the information provided was actually factual and was not FUD like the Hindenburg short report suggests. So guys, I think we're going to see a very nice move in Sava shortly. BWV, I am looking at this as a sympathy play to VRAX, and I think it could also have a nice move up. It's been beat down hard. Another one you might want to think about is Novavax. I don't have a picture of that, but off the top of my head, it is one of the most heavily shorted stocks in the market, and it could have a potentially nice move if these vaccines start moving to the upside. Helbiz, I'm looking to see if it's found its bottom. It appears that it may have, and I'd like to be watching this for the reversal back to the upside. Great company, guys. I think long term this will be a banger. Bluebird's been getting a lot of social media attention, but they drove that thing down really hard yesterday, so I'm looking to see if this continues back to the upside today. It's had a ton of great news lately, and I think it could be a very good stock for people to have in their portfolio long term. It is also heavily beat up. Gevo keeps getting more and more contracts, guys. This is a silent sleeper. This is a stock that if you're buying this in the $2 range, that $2 to $3 range, I don't think you can go wrong looking at a long-term horizon on this. Yes, it's going to be up, down, up, down, up, down until it really breaks out when this market gets a little bit better. But this stock, guys, is something that, it's basically jet engine fuel that they're making from better sources. And I suggest you do some DD on it because it is going to absolutely be a banger and make lots of money going forward, in my opinion. MSGM, guys, Motorsports Games. This is something that I called out at 60 something cents. It's trying to break above $1 now. I'm watching it to see if it breaks out of this pennant that it's forming to the upside. This has been beat down very hard as well, and I think that it's now in an uptrend, and we eventually should see a very nice move. Mullen, guys, this is a disaster. They have beat this down, and there's more news circulating that they put in a bid to acquire another bankrupt EV company. So I'm keeping an eye on this for the reversal to the upside and potentially a very nice move if they do get that and the market reacts nicely to it. And then finally, last but not least, is Aurora Cannabis. And guys, I am watching this because they have earnings today, and that is my sole reason. Plus, I want to tell you something. When we officially do announce that we're in an official recession, let me tell you that pot, alcohol, gambling, those types of stocks move. So keep your eye on those, because when people are depressed and they don't have a lot of money, what do? Hate to say it, but those stocks tend to move in times of a recession. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. Please comment below if you found this helpful and if you have any recommendations going forward on how we can beat the issues going on with social media and Twitter. Thanks so much, and have